Today we will be able to add 2- and 3-digit numbers using a standard algorithm. In the previous lesson, we were able to use base 10 blocks to model addition with regrouping. Today we will build upon the concept by recording the steps on a record chart. A record chart will be used to write the actual numbers in addition to modeling the problem with base 10 blocks. This helps students visually see the connection between the hands-on and the more abstract thinking of addition. By using place value blocks, it provides students with the reasoning behind the steps of the standard algorithm. Let's start off by adding 26 plus 58 with base 10 blocks. First, we will represent 26 in base 10. I will need 2 10s and 6 1s. The next addend is 58. I will need 5 10s and 8 1s. Now, we're going to start by counting the ones. The goal is to see if we can make a 10. I have 6 here, and if I take 4 from below and combine it with these 6, I can now make a 10. That leaves me with 4 1s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 10s, totaling 84. So 26 plus 58 equals 84. Now let's take a look at our recording chart. We can write our addends on the chart. I will start off by writing my first addend of 26. And my next addend is 58. This is very similar to the place value mat. We are just using a number representation rather than the visual of the base 10 blocks. As we were able to add the numbers on our place value mat, we were able to receive the sum, which is the answer to an addition problem, of 84. Students don't always have base 10 blocks at home. There is a method you can use at home while still using the base 10 model. I call it box, stick, and dot method. The box represents hundreds, the stick represents tens, and the dot represents ones. You can draw the numbers in base 10 without physically having the blocks. Next, we will add 127 plus 348. Let's start off by writing our numbers on our record chart. We will list the first addend on top and the second addend on the bottom. The squares at the bottom of the chart is where we will record our answer, known as the sum in addition. First, we will represent 127 using box, stick, dot. I will need 100, 2 10s, and 7 ones. Next, we will represent 348. I will need 3 hundreds, 4 10s, and 8 ones. Now, let's see if we can combine any of our ones. I can take 3 from the bottom and the 7 from the top to form a 10. Now, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones left. Next, we will add our 10s. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10s and 4 hundreds, totaling 475. We have now solved 127 plus 348 equals 475. Today, we were able to use our previous knowledge of base 10 blocks to record our mathematical reasoning on a record chart. Today's objective was to be able to add 2- and 3-digit numbers using a standard algorithm. As we worked through problems, we were able to see the connection between base 10 blocks and the numbers we recorded on our record chart.